The fear of flying or aerophobia is in. Worry about air travel. Panic attacks, claustrophobia or post-traumatic stress disorder. Fear that they will lose control of their emotions during flight and therefore embarrass themselves in front of fellow passengers. With external factors such as turbulence, bad weather or a fault with the aeroplane. Of anticipatory anxiety prior to a flight? Do you experience bodily symptoms prior and during flying, such as hyperventilating wherever possible and dizziness? And if able to only fly under duress? Do you picture catastrophic scenes on your relationships or work due to an inability to attend holidays or meetings? Lose control when flying and spontaneously open the airplane door or draw attention to yourself? Panic attacks, claustrophobia or post-traumatic stress disorder. Fear of flying, allowing you to travel by air in a comfortable, calm, relaxed experience,